If you want to cancel your YouTube subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open YouTube app or website. Access the YouTube app on your mobile device or visit the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Go to your account. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you can find account settings. Step 3. Select Purchases and Memberships. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Purchases and Memberships or Memberships. Click on it to view all your active subscriptions. Step 4. Find your subscription. Locate the subscription you want to cancel. You will see details about the subscription, including the renewal date and payment information. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Click on the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure the cancellation was successful. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube subscription will be cancelled. You will still have access to the subscription benefits until the end of the current billing cycle.